name is Casie Cantrell, and I am a red shirt here at Erlanger Hospital. I was able to attend this year for the first time in person, and I can say that it was very beneficial to me as a red shirt. I was able to deal with the cadavers, help the surgery residents set up the cadavers, watch them do dissections. I got to work with the pig hearts as well. I thought that was really cool. I helped my red shirts, Jared and David, as well. They had the traumatic arrest simulation where you could do a traumatic arrest code where you're able to intubate, do chest tubes, talk out loud what you would do in those types of situations. And it wasn't just nurses and physicians, it was also EMS as well. So I thought it was very well rounded, and it included all of like healthcare personnel. I really liked the heart dissection. I thought that was really neat to be able to see the heart dissection and how the valves and stuff worked. How you were able to actually put the valve inside the heart and see how it worked firsthand. I really liked the simulation where you got to do the rescue. I thought that was fun as well, where you actually had almost like a floor collapse. And so we had mannequins in there that were actively bleeding, and you had to get under the floor and stop the bleeding. And then I really enjoyed the traumatic arrest one as well, because I mean, that's what I do. So I thought that was really fun, and not just being able to work with just in-hospital personnel, but also working with EMS and seeing how they do things differently. I thought was very neat. So I was very well rounded, and I felt like I got to learn from different aspects of the healthcare team.